How do kosher food choices differ from regular food options? Have you ever wondered how kosher food choices stand apart from regular food options? Let's break it down in a simple way. The main difference lies in the Jewish dietary laws known as Kashrut. These laws dictate what foods can be eaten, how they should be prepared, and how they can be combined. First, let's talk about the animals that are considered kosher. Only certain animals are allowed. For mammals to be kosher, they must have split hooves and chew their cud. Think of cows, sheep, and goats. Pigs, however, are not allowed. When it comes to fish, they must have fins and scales, which means shellfish like shrimp and lobster are off the table. Birds also have to be from specific species that are traditionally deemed kosher. Next is dairy. Dairy products must come from kosher animals and cannot contain non-kosher additives. For example, certain animal-derived enzymes can make dairy non-kosher. Eggs are acceptable if they come from kosher birds and show no blood spots. One of the most important rules is the separation of meat and dairy. You cannot eat or cook meat and dairy together. This separation extends to utensils and preparation surfaces. Foods are categorized into 3 groups: meat, dairy, and neutral. Neutral foods, like fruits and vegetables, can be eaten with either meat or dairy. Now let's discuss how kosher meat is prepared. It must come from animals slaughtered in a specific way called Shechita. This method is designed to minimize pain and ensure the animal is healthy. After slaughtering, the blood must be completely removed from the meat through salting or soaking, as consuming blood is not allowed. Utensils used for meat cannot be used for dairy and vice versa. This prevents any chance of mixing the two. Even small traces of non-kosher substances can make a food non-kosher. So many kosher foods carry certification symbols. These symbols indicate that the food has been inspected and meets Kashrut standards. Certain foods are completely forbidden, like pork and shellfish. Additionally, mixing meat and dairy is not allowed in any form, whether in cooking or consumption. In contrast, regular food options do not follow these strict dietary laws. They can include non-kosher animals, freely mix meat and dairy, and do not requiring the same level of preparation and inspection. Understanding these differences can help those who observe kosher dietary laws navigate their food choices more easily. It affects shopping, cooking, and dining habits to stay true to their beliefs.